What do we have today? Today, let's talk about the flex cable, a small but very important part inside every smartphone. The flex connects the screen, downboard, and other components to the main board, helping the phone transfer power and signals properly. This particular flex cable is usually found in Samsung A-series phones. The flex is made up of numerous invisible tiny wires that help transmit power and signals between components inside the phone. When the flex gets damaged, it can cause display issues, charging problems, touch malfunction, or even make the phone stop responding. Proper handling and quality replacement are very important during repair.